start. I say the letters in order. Yes. First, the vowels. Okay. E of hit. E of eat. U of cook. U of you. E of egg. E of teacher. O of word. O of fort. A, for example, fort. A of bat. A of fart. A of cat. And finally, O of note. Okay, now diphthongs. I of near. E of where. U of tourist. O of out. O by go. A, for example, say. I of give. And I from boy. Okay, and finally the consonants. Of map. Of if. For example, T. F by think. For example, church. Of miss. By crush. K of cat. B of bat. By boys. By lady. Of mother. Shoe of just. By so. Of pleasure. Go by give. Who by hello. Of lemon. Of 10 by sing. Or of red. Of little. Of window. And yep. Thank you.